Hi Shopify sellers! We've got a new feature that makes handling returns and tracking orders in Shopify way easier with PULPO WMS. If you use PULPO, your Shopify store now reflects real-time return status, ensuring that both your customers and support teams stay aligned on the progress of each return. This means fewer customer issues, reduced back and forth, and smoother overall return experience. No more confusion about whether a return has been received or processed. So everything is updated automatically. Let's walk through an example together. I go to the order in PULPO, scan the reception location and start processing the return. One of the items looks worn, so I reject it and leave a note. Item looks worn. And the other item is in good condition, so I accept it and add a note for my team, letting them know it can be refunded. I also select the appropriate reason cost that I've defined before. When I check back in Shopify, the return is automatically marked as return in progress, and my notes are visible here. From here, I can initiate the refund process and refund the items I want, and click refund. So that's it. And once that is done, I simply close the return. No extra steps required. There is no need to manually restock the item in Shopify because it's already restocked when I accept the return in PULPO. So this prevents inventory mismatch and keeps stock levels accurate. The order status updates the return as well when I refresh the page. With this update, your return process is cleaner and more organized, giving you better control, fewer errors, and smoother experience for both your team and your customers. See you in the next video.